Hi everyone. In my last video, you have seen how to prepare an estimate using Jalli app. In this video, you are going to see how to prepare rate analysis for the same work. Let us start. Click on Tender Process, Analysis of Rates DAR, enter the estimate code, or you can select from the Recent or Search buttons. The estimate code is EC06 2026. Select items by value of items. As per CPWD Works manual, we have to select items 90% by value from the estimate. Here I am selecting 100%. Press enter. Click on enter basic rates. This is the basic rates input screen where you have to enter the basic rates. If you observe, some rates are already pre-filled. These rates are adapted by the system itself from the standard list of rates for Hyderabad. For every place you can maintain a standard list, and also it will pick up from the other works in the same place used in the last 90 days. Okay. Let us enter the remaining items. Click here, show blank items only, so that blank items are displayed. $5,500. I will enter all the other items. Now all the rates are entered. Just check your CP is 50%, rate for LS item is 2.67 LS coefficient, GST is 18%. Now we'll close it. Close. Go for analysis. Still rates of some of the items are to be entered. They are none other than carriage items. As per latest DSR, carriage is included in the main item. So for all carriage rates they have taken 0. So we also taken 0. Yes. If you want to modify any serial number for any item, you can modify here. Otherwise, just close it. Print full description. If you want to round off the rate to nearest 5NP, you can do it. Otherwise, leave it. Prepare rate analysis in Excel. Yes, this flashing icon is our analysis file. This is the rate analysis file. This is the compilation and this is the actual analysis. You can see neatly formatted. So this is the basic rate taken from basic rate sheet. Everywhere like that only, and it is calculated the amount, total amount, 1% water charges, 15% CP and OH, labor cess and GST. And this calculated rate is carry forwarded to justified rate statement. this one. Basic rates. These are the basic rates list. If you modify rate here, the same will be reflected in analysis file and the justified rate statement. Everywhere the changes will be reflected. If you prepare comparative statement also, you will get two more columns: estimated, justified and contractors rate and amount. That is L1 contractors rate and amount. This is all about rate analysis basic features. We will see advanced features in our next video. Thank you for watching.